Okay na uli nagtatrap itong Negros. Yun yung success nila ng game number 2. Nagtatrap sila.
National League and any collegiate league, the number of fouls always increase. Then the importance of stretch. No!
They are running.
Hindi umiikot.
He was able to use that screen by Melvin Taguines and going to his strong side.
With great potential. No!
There by the Negros Latas. They are tracking.
Even he couldn't get to that Mikasa official basketball. In the meantime, 5:06 remaining. Just a bit that crown on their head being tipped.
But rather being carried in the scoring of the Gems. Back to you.
Timeout.
Close replay. Some stop has been made. Will there be a bucket? Set tries to drive. Curl inside. He is fouled.
Kanina, minitusin yung dalawa.
More.
You better be serious with your call. Okay?
Okay, this is the first in Philippine history. This is regional basketball. Okay, emotions run high. Regionalism is there. That is what is our anchor, okay? Maybe you might say that the vice mayor
From the Negros Slashers.
gets 10-point lead. 3, yes! They're medyo Wednesday to just wrap this all up. Now,
Similar to game number 2.
Vinante and our entire Cebu production staff would like to thank you for joining us. This is our first game lead in the series. And Tonichi Ituri is over at season to acknowledge him for the victory here. He's over there at the Negros bench. Hey, thank you. Daghang salamat from Cebu.